Heroic Figs here, and this is my first video, and the first video that we are doing is going to be an unboxing of the Arena pop-up from extremesets.com. Go check them out. The website is right there on the box. So yeah, right now, I did already open this because my mom wanted to know what it was. My dad ordered it for me. I did put all these in here because the one they kept falling out, so yeah. Let me get a drink. Set it down there. Okay. I don't even know if this thing comes with instructions, though. This thing looks badass. I'm sorry for the swearing, guys, because YouTube's rules have been cracking down on big YouTubers like SML. They've cracked down on Grip Soy Show. I've heard about, supposedly, I don't know. Goddamn. Oh, that's strong. I haven't had Mountain Dew in a while. Last time I had it was, what, 2 months ago? My dad would lose cheap pop. It was fucking nasty. Once in a while, I'd sneak a Pepsi, but they bought themselves Pepsi. I just snuck it. I was like, fuck you. Oh, dang. But yeah, this Extreme Sets actually looks pretty good. I don't know what to do, though. Do I do this? Guys. Do these things just help it stand up or straighten it out? I don't know what to do. I think I'm supposed to do it like that, right? Here. So you straighten this out, right? And you put this on it. I'll watch a video afterwards just in case I didn't do it right, but or you guys leave a comment, please. Now it's gonna put us on this corner right here. Okay. Damn, this thing's hard to get on. That might be wrong, but I don't know. Okay, we're going on another music, which means this video is 3 minutes. Okay, but yeah. Essentially, it's pretty cool. We got down. Okay. Okay, I have it done. Oh, I was. I never knew some started so late. I thought it was like after the first thing on that. I don't even know if you guys can hear it. Like that. I think it's like this. Anyways, I don't care. So yeah, guys, this is the end of this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is showing you guys my homemade stage and backstage. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.